I'm Anirudh. I have spent around 8 years working in QA and test automation. In this video, we are going to build a simple QA agent workflow step by step. No theory overload, no deep code, just a clear workflow you can actually picture. Let the promise settle. Before we start building, let's look at where we are going. A change comes in, risk is assessed, tests are selected and executed, results are evaluated, and feedback flows back into the system. This is the workflow we will build. Nothing fancy, nothing abstract. We start by defining states. A state is just a named moment in time. Change received, risk assessed, test executed, that is it. If you can name what's happening, you can model it. Now comes the interesting part, decisions. This is where workflows stop being linear. In QA, this usually looks like a simple question: is the risk high or not? Every meaningful workflow has decisions. If it doesn't, it's just a checklist. Once states and decisions are clear, we connect them. These connections are called transitions. Transitions are where intent lives. They define why the workflow moves forward, not just how. At this point, we have a complete workflow. Nothing here is complicated. It's just explicit. And that is the difference. Now we represent the same workflow using LangGraph. Notice that nothing changes conceptually. States become nodes, decisions become conditional paths, transitions become edges. LangGraph does not add logic, it makes the logic visible. When the workflow is clear, the code becomes straightforward. Notice how the code mirrors the structure, not the other way around. If code feels messy, it's usually because the model isn't clear yet. At this point, you already have everything you need to build workflows like this. Not because you memorized something, but because you understood the structure. Before we wrap up, let me call out a few common mistakes. Starting with code, skipping modeling, and overcomplicating decisions. If we avoid these, workflows stay simple and systems stay predictable. In the next video, we will extend this workflow, adding more agents and better decision making. If this series is helping you think more clearly about agentic AI, consider subscribing. This is AI with Ani, practical AI for real work.